Hi, good day. This is Speak Up. Because I did not really practice.
Okay, it's okay. But I have to flip, right?
Yeah. See myself.
Okay, make 2 seconds.
Okay.
Ready?
Just have
Okay, just want to do
connection.
intermediate 3 students, right?
Any will and
Here. Okay, good. Just do one more time. One more time.
Hello everyone. I am Mandaline Buliat, but you can call me Lane for short. I have been an ESL teacher for almost 2 years. I've taught students of different ages and nationalities like Chinese, Japanese, and Koreans. I believe that being a teacher, you should possess passion in a way that you have a deep desire to teach and help others. I see myself as an enthusiastic teacher, especially I like involving myself in class during discussions. This will help the students to be more engaged and more willing to contribute in class during discussions or activities. Moreover, they will be more committed as well in learning whatever topic it is. Through online classes, you'll find it very convenient. It helps you learn English by just having a laptop and a stable internet connection anywhere you are. And it's flexible because you can just choose any preferred class time you want depending on your availability. In addition, it gives you confidence to communicate with different kinds of people using the English language. Speak Up is an online community of well-trained teachers that helps students learn the English language. It gives also the students a chance to choose a suitable teacher for their learning needs. Nowadays, English is one of the most spoken language in the world. Increasingly, people are getting in the learning of English since it's really important to both personal and professional levels. Hence, it takes different methods to learn it. So, be with Speak Up and it's guaranteed that it will be a great help throughout learning the English language. For more information, please refer to the description below. Also, feel free to leave your questions and comments in the comment section below, and I'll be glad to reply as soon as possible time. Please leave your comment in English only. Bye-bye!